I'm going to look at a quick demonstration of the retirement of Illinois' nuclear plants. I'm going to look at two scenarios for Illinois. In the first one, I'm going to maintain Illinois' nuclear plants. Here's the generation profile for Illinois. Blue is the contributions from nuclear power. And what we see along this 20-year timeline are different instructions, and what I'm doing here is adding air pollution controls, adding renewables shown in the green icon, adding energy efficiency, and as we go through time we see that we meet Illinois' RPS, and we also see that relying on this mixture of fuel results in a very steep reduction in CO2 emissions over time. I'm going to look at a second scenario here where I retire Illinois' nuclear plants. In this case, what I've done is I've retired the Dresden and Clinton plants in 2017 and Quad Cities in 2018, followed by a second wave of retirements in the mid-2020s, and I've backfilled that lost generation with natural gas. The other change is in the prior scenario I had a secondary number of coal plant retirements in the early 2030s, which because of the loss of the nuclear capacity is no longer viable in this scenario. So in this case, moving forward, what we'll see is a portfolio that's balanced between renewables, coal, and natural gas with a small amount of purchase power and energy efficiency. And what we'll see in this case is that the CO2 change is not nearly as dramatic. In this case, we're going from about 100 million tons to about 90 million tons compared to when we keep the nuclear plants, and in that case, we're reducing the CO2 emissions by over half.